Ajay from Hyderabad. I'm 25 years old. I suffered from diffused thinning and receding hairline. So I was searching for good hair transplant clinics all over India, and I happened to see the New Roots Hair Transplant Clinic YouTube channel. So I'm completely satisfied with the results of the patients over there. So I booked my session in last year December. So the surgeon told me 4,000 grafts were required for implantation, and the surgeons are very experienced over there, and the doctor is completely performed by surgery, and it took almost 8.5 hours for getting implanted with 4,000 grafts, and the technicians and medical staff also very helpful. And it's been almost 5 months, and I start appreciating my results, and the final density where can be improved from a couple of more months. So, and thanks for Nilesh Kun sir, Gursev Singh sir, Rohan sir, and Albert, and they even take care after the transplant, and the date I need to be taken, and the precautions I need to be taken, and they completely stay in touch with me. And thanks for New Roots Hair Transplant Clinic, and stay home, stay safe, and stay away from COVID.